Video App Suite is a one-of-a-kind and breakthrough video app pack including 8 high-quality video apps to help you make intros videos, outro videos, Facebook video covers, Instagram and Facebook story videos and much more. With the stunning and professional templates available, creating videos hasn't been easier. This investment is with low risk but can bring the highest returns even you do not have any specific creating video skills or sale experience. I totally lay my trust on this product is simply because it was produced by top creators, Paul Pona and his team, who spent years developing to give you this shortcut. Features: get 8 new state-of-the-art video app businesses in one awesome package, done-for-you sales pages and marketing videos designed to skyrocket your results. Commercial license: make unlimited videos for your own users, sell to clients. Turnkey business license: sell unlimited software copies and keep 100% of the sales. Plug and play: fully hosted and managed on the cloud. No download or configuration needed, step-by-step traffic training included, no experience or technical skills required. Here are all the 8 software which are included in Video App Suite: Intro Outro Expert App, create professional and eye-catching intros and outro videos in minutes using ready-made video templates. Intros and outros for video are proven to grab attention, get more engagement and clicks all while making you look more professional. They also give the video a high-end feel. Cover Pro app, create Facebook video covers not images. Video covers are proven to drive engagement and sales via Facebook and make you look like an authority. Live Mockup app, add your logos and images to live moving scenes. These videos grab attention like no other video format to deliver incredible results. Perfect for social media to draw attention to your brand. Slide Machine app, create videos with slides, customize elements, add your own text and images to create sparkling new videos. Story Monarch app, create Instagram and Facebook story videos effortlessly. This is the hottest video format right now on social media. Whiteboarder app, create video commercial-style whiteboard videos using done-for-you templates in minutes. Video Ads Architect app, create square video ads that are popular on social platforms. These videos provide better viewing experience for mobile users, thus driving more sales and clicks. Custom Video FX app, upload any existing video into the app and add text effects, lower thirds and animations to create custom animated videos to fulfill client demands. You can also convert them into landscape, square, portrait vertical videos for social media. This is for users who want to spice up their existing videos and turn boring videos into amazing high-quality videos. All-in-one video solution, Video App Suite. For total market domination, need an all-inclusive solution? Solved. You get everything you need to become a full-fledged video app business practically overnight. You get 8 next-generation video apps and professionally designed websites, sales videos, marketing materials to start getting sales right out of the gate. Want to create a new revenue stream? Solved. You can create unlimited videos using the commercial license or sell unlimited copies of the software using the turnkey business package. There are no ongoing costs, subscriptions, or any other fees required, ever. Need unlimited flexibility? Solved. Create any type of video you can imagine within minutes. Create professional intros, outros, FB video covers, Instagram stories, video mockups, whiteboard videos, slideshows, video ads and more from one dashboard. No time and lack experience? Solved. Done for you. Customizable video templates are included for point-and-click video creation. We also provide detailed, step-by-step training and real-world case studies, so nothing is left to chance. This is perfect for newbies and experienced marketers. 3 ways to maximize your results with Video App Suite. Resell these quality apps as your own, sell video creation services to clients, or you can do both. Frequently asked questions. How many apps are included in the suite? You get a total of 8 fully licensed and fully functional cloud apps with either Video App Suite license. Does it work on both Windows, Mac? Video App Suite dashboard is 100% cloud-based, meaning it will work on any operating system. All you need is an internet connection to access all the apps included inside one dashboard. Nothing to install, nothing to update. Is there step-by-step training and tech support available? Absolutely. We also provide full step-by-step training that leaves nothing to chance, even if you're a complete newbie without a list or any traffic. Will the apps be updated in the future? Definitely. You get all future updates for free, with no additional costs. Can I upload my own images, videos, and audio into Video App Suite? Absolutely. You can upload your own images, music, voiceover into all the apps, and customize your videos with your own materials.